Look at my new shoes. They're so sparkly and pretty. Hey guys, what's up? It's Mac and Jack. Welcome back to our channel. Oh my gosh, you guys, I found the coolest shoes when I was in Burlington, and oh my goodness, I can't believe I found these. I think they are so cool. So we're just gonna go ahead and jump right in because I want to show you all these. Look how gorgeous. Sparkly rainbow juicy couture Crocs. Are you serious? Like, what? I love Crocs. I'm sorry if you don't like Crocs, you're missing out because they are the most comfortable shoe I've ever put on my foot. I wear them everywhere. I wear them to work. I wear them out. I wear them when I go outside and if I go walking. I wear Crocs everywhere. I wore them last night actually for the first time, and the camera doesn't do them any justice at all. These are so stunning. These are actually really comfortable. I mean, they're not the Crocs brand, they're Juicy Couture brand, but they just kind of look like Crocs. So I am going to show you guys these shoes, and then I'm going to try them on for y'all, and then that's basically it. That's all this video is going to be today. These shoes I got for like only $15. I couldn't believe how cheap they were. They may have been $16, I can't remember. They feel exactly like Crocs. It has Juicy Couture here on the strap. You can move the strap if you want, but the strap did not go like all the way up, so I've been keeping it in the back, which is fine. And there's a pastel rainbow print going on all around, and on the front it says Juicy, and it's rainbow rhinestones. I don't know if you guys can see from the camera. Let me turn this ring light off. I'm gonna turn it off for just a second so you guys can kind of see more of the sparklies. Ooh, look at that. They're so fun. Oh my goodness. They're just like little disco balls. So yeah, like I said, I wore them already. They are so comfortable. The only thing that I don't like is there's no holes like the regular Crocs have, so your feet can't really breathe very good. So if you have sweaty feet, these may not be for you. I don't know, but they work fine for me. My feet don't get too sweaty, I guess. That's probably TMI, but you know. I just noticed though that one of the rhinestones fell out, so that's kind of disappointing. I was really hoping that that wasn't gonna happen, but I mean, they probably will fall out over time, so I kind of expected that. Let's try these on so I can show you guys what they look like. Okay, you guys, so I'm still happy with the Crocs. I love how they feel. They've got the little lining inside, kind of like Crocs does, so I'm super happy with these. I would highly recommend them. I don't know where else you can get them since I did find them at Burlington, but if I find a link to purchase them, I will link it below in the description box. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like it. Let me know, would you wear these shoes? Would you not wear these shoes? What do y'all think about them? Thanks again for watching, and Jack and I will see you guys in our next video.